The two most fundamental stitches in knitting are the knit stitch and the purl stitch, and today we are going to learn the purl stitch. You're going to insert your needle in your right hand into the loop, going downwards and keeping the needle in front of the needle that has your work on it. So that needle is in the back. And then wrap your yarn around your right needle counterclockwise. And then slip your right needle into the loop and behind your left needle. And that is the purl stitch. So I'll show you again. Insert your right needle into the next loop, and you want to insert it downwards and in front of your left needle. So that's in the back right there. Wrap your yarn around your right needle counterclockwise, and then slip your right needle into the loop and behind your left needle. Again, you're going to insert your needle in your right hand into the loop, pointing downwards and keeping it in front of the needle that is in your left hand. And then wrap your yarn around that needle in your right hand counterclockwise. So go around like that, and then push your needle under the loop and into the back of the needle in your left hand, and then pull that loop off of your left needle onto your right needle. Insert your needle into the loop, pointing downwards. Wrap your yarn around the needle in your right hand, and then move your right needle into the loop and then behind the needle in your left hand, and then you can pull that loop off your needle. Insert your needle downwards into the loop, wrap your yarn around, push your right needle into the loop and behind your left needle, and then pull your loop off of your left needle and onto your right needle. And that is the purl stitch. If you are a beginner, I'll link all my beginner tutorials for knitting in the description, and I hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for following along.